Hi, everybody. I'm Sharon Rawlins, the Youth Services Specialist at the State Library. And for New Jersey Makers Day, I'm going to show you how to make marble magnets, the kind that you can put on your refrigerator. This is a really easy craft. It doesn't take very long at all. And anyone of any age can do it. It's kind of a fun family activity. And all you really need are clear, flat marbles, just like this. These are the kind that you find in the floral section of Michael's. Sometimes you see them in the bottom of planters. This is 3/4 inches. I also bought some that are 1/2 inch. And you need magnets that are the same size. So this is a magnet that's 3/4 inches. And this is the magnet that's 1/2 inch. You need a pencil, you need scissors, you need some kind of glue. There's a lot of different types of glues out there. This is glass and bead glue, but it has a terrible smell, and so I'm not using it. There's another type that I actually bought, which is Elmer's Craft Glue, Ultra Sticks All. This got kind of dried out, so I'm not using it either. I'm using Eileen's Jewel It. It's embellishing glue, and it's supposed to hold jewels onto fabric, and then you can wash it. It seems to work well. Elmer's glue may work well too. You need toothpick, and you just need like a piece of paper to put some glue on so you don't get it all over the place. I also have just another piece of paper just to put my materials out on so I don't get glue all over the table. And of course you need something to create the picture for your marble. And you can go through old magazines. You can find address labels that you get for free and just cut them out. They just have to fit in this size, the 3/4 or the 1/2 inch marbles. And so I just went through an old magazine and I figured I'm going to do this particular picture just because it's a nice pattern. And so I'm just going to take the 3/4 inch marble, and these marbles, once the picture's behind it, it actually magnifies it, so they becomes brighter. Take my marble and I'm just going to put it down on my picture, and I'm just going to trace the outside with a pencil. Okay, I've done that. I know you probably can't see it, and I'm just going to do it one more time really, really darkly because it didn't come out too well. And then when you cut it out, you want to make it slightly smaller than the size of the magnet, just so it doesn't hang out over the edge. And I'm going to cut it out just a little bit smaller than the magnet. So if I was using smaller scissors, that might make it a little easier too. And then I'm going to take my magnet, take my glue that I put on the piece of paper and just take a little bit on the edge and just cover the top part of the magnet with the glue. And I'm just going to take my little picture and just stick it on there and hold it down for just a second to get it to stay glued. And then I'm going to take my 1/2 marble, and I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of glue and just put a little bit in the middle of my picture. Not very much, just a little bit. And then I'm going to just take the marble and put it on it and push it down so that the glue expands to the edges. Okay. And there you go. We have a leopard print marble magnet. It really does dry very quickly, so you do have to do it very fast. Here's an example of another one I made a little earlier. It has sort of a star design in it. You might want to do a bunch of them and then put them in an Altoids tin. These are some I did in the past. And this is a great way to just hold them there. And especially if you want to give them as a gift to somebody, you can just fill the whole tin with them. And of course, they're magnetized, so they stay on. And close it up and just put them on your refrigerator. I have other ones you can do. You can do flowers. These are from Christmas, and I'm hoping to do what looks like, peppermint candies, and I'm going to do some snowflakes. These are so easy to make, and they come in, mesh bags like this, so you can make a lot at one time. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy making your marble magnets.